Hi, my name is Dr. Rajesh Shah. We are answering some of the questions put across by the patients. You also have a choice to ask your question to me. Well, one of the most common questions that I encountered is, does homeopathy really help? Does it really work? Well, to be very honest with you, this was a question raised in my mind many times. Even after 10 years of successful practice, somewhere in the year 1996, I started asking this question once again to me. Homeopathy has established wonderful clinical efficacy. However, when it comes to scientific evidence, there was a question, there were questions earlier. So I took up the work in my personal space from the year 1996 to examine and try to establish if homeopathic medicines really work and to create scientific evidence for the same. In the last 20 years of time, from 1996 to 2017, I am personally very happy to share with you that we have created enough evidence, enough scientific evidence to prove that homeopathic medicines actually work and they are not placebo. Not only my work but even work by many other scientists put together, and we have been able to establish that homeopathy is much beyond placebo. There are scientific experiments conducted by several scientists in the laboratory model where homeopathic medicines in the high potency have demonstrated anti-disease activities in the laboratories such as in cell line models. Some of my research projects have also repeatedly shown anti-disease activities of homeopathic medicines in the laboratory. For example, our two studies have demonstrated anti-cancer effects of homeopathic dilutions in the cell line models. Two other studies have demonstrated anti-malaria activity in a cell line model using homeopathy. One more study has shown anti-vitiligo properties of homeopathic medicines in the cell line model. Some of the research by my others co-researchers in different parts of the world have demonstrated repeatedly the anti-disease activities against various infections, leishmaniasis, against cancer, against certain other infections, and so on. In another range of animal studies, some of the scientists have demonstrated anti-disease properties of various homeopathic medicines against various diseases in animal model, such as anti-inflammatory properties of homeopathic medicines, anti-cancer properties in the rats and other model animals have been demonstrated by several scientists across the world. In the human trials, in the randomized controlled trials, in the placebo controlled trials, in the controlled trials, homeopathic medicines in human models have shown repeatedly that homeopathic medicines have much better efficacy against the placebo. So now it is established once and for all that there is adequate scientific evidence to prove the efficacy of homeopathic medicines. So we should now outgrow that stage where there is no need to keep believing or questioning that homeopathy is just placebo. There is enough scientific evidence. There are more than 300 peer-reviewed publications across the world which have shown repeatedly in many different parts of the world by different scientists in different models. They have shown that homeopathic medicines have definite action beyond placebo. I hope this helps. Thank you.